Hi, it's Colin McIntyre and welcome to another very quick funnel franchise success tip. So in a series of videos I've been showing you how I am using RedTrack as my tracking software to track campaigns from Bing advertising through to a ClickBank offer. Now this one is where I'm using an opt-in page, and it's where the opt-in page has been created in Convertri. So Bing ad to Convertri created opt-in page, capture the emails and then send them through to the ClickBank offer. So what I'm going to show you is where you put the tracking codes from RedTrack into your opt-in page. So onto my laptop and I'll quickly show you where the code needs to be installed. In Convertri, first thing you want to do is link to your get response campaign. So I'm assuming you've set up a get response list and you want to link to that. So you click here on your dashboard, so your account details, integrations, and here you'll find get response, press setup, go through the process, and you come back, you've got that tick that says get response is set up and is available to you when you enter your pages or your funnels. Okay, so that's the first thing, is just creating that link to get response. The next thing is you go into your funnels, and I've created page here. If I want to view the page, I can do that. It's actually not going to allow me to right click, but if I do that, that tells me what the URL of the published page will be. So if I copy that, that's what I drop in when I'm creating a new lander in RedTrack. So landers, I've pressed a new lander and they go in there, and that's where you would paste the URL. And then as normal, you've got two pieces of code, if you like, you need to add to your page. So one of them is the code that gives you your landing page landing page views initially. So this is the script for landing page views. This is the default domain that I get when I buy a RedTrack account. I'm actually using a custom domain with my campaign, therefore I need to use the custom domain when my landing page is. So that just means I replace that with my custom domain, and you'll see that in a minute. And likewise on my click URL, which I also need to put on my landing page. So if I go to my landing page, go back to where I'm editing it, and okay, so the landing page views code is very easy. You have page settings, one of those is custom scripts. RedTrack, wherever possible, prefers to be in a body script, so that's just the script taken from the RedTrack landing page. But as I said, that domain is actually a custom domain. It's not the one I was provided with RedTrack. That's why that looks slightly different. So that goes in there, which is very easy. And then forms is the next thing that you need to do. So you've got a form, you've created a form. Here the form says which order responder am I going to use, or it's get response. I've got ticked because I've already got that. Now which fields am I going to use? Well, I'm not going to have any additional fields. As standard, it collects email and full name. Okay, I was looking to capture that, so I don't do anything with that. I'll just save that. So that's then set up, other than the click URL. Just one thing while I'm talking, because it's slightly unusual. If this is set up, or you've used a template where you've only got one of these fields, because these fields are actually added independently, you grab another field here, form elements, and you would drag it across, and then you click on it and you have this field form. So you can see I've got that one from the drop down list for the field of full name, and this one I've selected email. Okay, so you've got that, and then the other thing is where you want to send once it's submitted to get response. This is where you put in your click tracking URL. So you just come back to forms, add in your RedTrack click tracking URL. Obviously save everything, I don't need to because this is already created, but that's how you set up an opt-in page in Convertri to work with RedTrack.
So although all these opt-in pages in different builders all have slightly different places to put your RedTrack LP view tracking code and your click tracking code, you can install them easily, and in this case I've shown you how you install into a Convertri built opt-in page. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've enjoyed the video and you want similar tips, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like RedTrack, which I think is a fantastic tracking software and it's very low cost, then I'll have a link below in the description. Go ahead and buy that. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.